Alright guys, I gotta play some Drake because I'm in my feels right now. So, just a few minutes ago, I put out a video saying I took out a leveraged short position on Ethereum. Okay guys, that is what I just did. And would you look at this? We are looking at a chart of Ethereum. Okay? Guys, this is what happens. Literally minutes, not minutes, like half an hour now. Very turn this shit off. All right. Right after I took this trade just about around a year. Okay, guys, at 365, a short position. I took a short position here, a leveraged short position at that, a 10x leveraged short position, guys. And what happened? Ethereum just pumped crazy out of nowhere. What the fuck, guys? Okay, guys, I want to show you guys how how trading can be very risky, and leverage trading can be very risky. Okay, this is a tale of caution for you guys out there, because the cryptocurrency markets are very unpredictable. Trading is very unpredictable. Okay, indicators can point to in a certain direction. Okay, but price action isn't just influenced by indicators. There's many things that can happen. So you guys always have to keep in mind that there is risk involved in trading. Okay, now thankfully I had my stop losses set at around 375, but funny enough, literally just as they started pumping, I'd canceled my stop loss order because I was going to sell a little bit of my position. So once I saw this like a moving up, like this move here, I was like, what the hell? That's like a crazy move up. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'll cancel my stop loss, and then I'll sell a little bit of my leverage position. That way I can just have a smaller position. And before I could even do that, I was just so taken aback by watching this whole thing. I didn't even end up selling anything. So I ended up selling like half my position here and then another half here. At the end of the day, guys, I lost maybe 3%, 3 to 4%. But I was leverage trading, guys. Okay, so that leverage was that 3 to 4% I lost was not 3 to 4% on the money I put in. I lost 3 to 4% on all of the money I was trading with. So I 10x'd. I traded with 10 times more than what I put in. So I lost 3 to 4% of that total amount that I borrowed. So I'm just to let you guys know, I put in $600 US into this thing, and I lost pretty much $200 US in this trade, guys. Okay, and yeah, guys. So take this as a cautionary tale. Okay, guys, trading can be risky. Maybe some main takeaways here, how this could have been prevented is one, really stick to your stop loss here. Okay, I was very reluctant to sell at this point because I was following the 1 minute chart, seeing if I can catch a top of this thing. I thought maybe it was gonna come back down and retest. So I didn't stick to my stop losses, guys. Okay, and I let this thing go up. So that's something I think I can learn from and do better in the future. Just if it goes to your stop loss, just sell. Just be emotionless and just sell it. Stick to your plan. Stick to your stop losses. Okay, and I would have probably lost less money. So yeah, stick to your stop losses. Understand that leverage trading is very risky. Okay, and what else here? I had something else here in mind that I wanted to mention. Okay, maybe it'll come to me as we speak. But yeah, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to update you guys, letting you know that I did not get liquidated, but I did lose a bunch of money. So it was that option. That was the thing that happened. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. Unpredictable things happen here in these cryptocurrency markets. Now, this could start to fall here. let's pull out some indicators. See what our indicators are saying. Okay, yeah, so. Yeah, this thing's going to continue to go up. Jesus Christ. Well, actually, maybe not. Is that a top there? Yeah, guys, so I didn't stick to my stop loss because I was trying to find a top. And, you know, I was like, oh, okay, maybe this will be the top and it'll come back down and retest. And then I can close my position at a better price, and then I won't lose as much. But you know, I just should have just accepted the loss and just sold here, and I would have lost less money than I lost. Okay, guys, yeah, that's it for now. I just want to update you guys, let you guys know that crazy shit like this can happen all the time, so you just gotta be careful when you're trading and stick to your stop losses, guys. Okay. Oh yeah, I remember confirmation. Okay, so the thing I wanted to mention, one lesson I think I can learn from this is to wait for confirmation. Okay, confirmation is very important because these markets are very uncertain, right? So what I was betting on was, let's take off these Bollinger Bands so we can see a little better here. So let's zoom out a little further. Okay, let's take that away. Okay, guys, so this is what I was betting on, right? We see this descending triangle, okay? I bought somewhere around here. Okay, I thought worst case scenario, maybe we can go up and retest this area and it'll go back down, but instead we broke way above this, okay? And Messin, who I was actually talking to while all this was going on, pointed out something very interesting to me, that the $370 price level on Ethereum is actually like a very significant price level, and whenever Ethereum has touched the $370 level, it's had very reactive to that price. Yeah, look at that. Okay, so yeah, we see it touched here, went back up, touched it here, went back up. We can see that the $370 price range is pretty significant here for Ethereum. So we touched that and broke way above. So guys, I had a trading plan here where, this made sense. It was a descending triangle. This whole thing is sloping down. When there's a support resistance range and it keeps touching, and eventually we break below like this, eventually like a support range like that flips into resistance. And so I thought that was reason for this to break down. Also, Bitcoin, I thought was going to lose some steam, but Bitcoin's been pumping as of late. It's being rejected off the 1100 right now. Yeah. So Bitcoin continuing to pump, I believe, aided Ethereum, although I don't think it was the sole cause of this. I actually don't know what this was. Like, this is really crazy, guys. Like, I mean, the MACD did look like we were ready for this. Yeah, see, guys, like the MACD looked here like we were ready to be to reverse the trend here from bearish to bullish. But the reason why, I didn't pay too much attention to that, because I thought that this resistance line played a greater factor into what was going to happen here. But as soon as this started to break above, I guess people FOMO'd in, because there's a lot of people betting on Ethereum, guys. Like much of the altcoin market depends on what Ethereum does. So there's a lot of people. I myself would do very well if Ethereum continues to do well. I just think it won't in the short term. Now in the long term, I think it'll do well, but in the short term, it just made sense that this was going to fall. So like, there's a lot of people invested in Ethereum doing well. So I can see why, Ethereum wouldn't want to quietly just fucking tank. I'd make sense that it would throw a hissy fit like this before it did. And guys, it may continue to tank. Who knows? We could fall back down, retest support. This resistance could have just been flipped into support, and we may just we may fall down, retest, and continue to go up. Who knows, guys? It all depends on like other factors like Bitcoin, for example. So maybe if Bitcoin goes to this region and it gets rejected, then maybe that would cause Ethereum to go down. Probably, most likely would. But yeah, guys. Okay, I'm gonna ramble long enough here. So thankfully I didn't get completely liquidated. Right, I just lost a good portion of my account there. But not to worry, guys. You can't win every trade as long as a majority of your trades are profitable. That's the game, guys. That's the trick. Okay, you're never gonna be profitable on every single trade. If anything, I just should have stuck closer to my stop losses. And in the future, if I'm making a big bet on this, maybe just wait for confirmation. So wait for it to definitively break out either above or below with confidence, right? So maybe you'd get less like a return on investment, like a few less percent. But it would be a much safer bet if you waited. Let's say it broke below, and then retested, then broke below again. Okay, then I'd be like, okay, we have confirmation here. It definitively broke below this pattern. It's gonna continue to fall. Then I'd enter a short. Okay, or it breaks above here and then we retest and it keeps going up and then be okay. We've definitively with confidence broken above this. So then I'd enter a long. So maybe just going forward. Lessons learned here are stick to your stop losses and wait for confirmation. Okay, guys, long enough. Please like and subscribe. Really helps with the channel. We're almost at 100 subscribers. Thank you all to the people who have subscribed. And, more videos coming soon. Take care.